And the Constitution Amendment Bill 2025 that was passed by the National Assembly and waiting for Senate's nod has sparked uproar, with a group of lawyers now demanding that the bill be subjected to a referendum. The lawyers who have petitioned both the National Assembly and the Senate say the bill, which seeks to entrench the national government's Constituency Fund, CDF, Senate Oversight Fund and the National Government Affirmative Action Fund in the Constitution, will alter the structure of government, as the law only recognizes two levels of government where monies should be shared. Gatete Njoroge reports.
Efforts by MPs to have the NGCF, NGAF and Senate Oversight Fund in the Constitution is facing opposition. A group of lawyers want the legislators to respect the separation of powers. As such, they have petitioned both houses to ensure the bill goes through referendum before it is effected, failure to which they will challenge it in court.
Article 255H and 255I, which says that any bill that is proposed to amend the Constitution of Kenya and speaks to the functions of Parliament, and secondly, speaks to the structure and the framework of the devolved government, must go through approval of the Kenyan citizen in a referendum.
Terming the move by legislators as mischief, the lawyers argue that the decision goes against the spirit of separation of powers and will affect the provision of the functions of national and county governments as provided for under Schedule 4 of the Constitution.
We are concerned that, as provided for the Constitution, the only two levels of government where the consolidated monies should be shared, which is called the Equalization Fund, is the national government and the county government. Elected members have no function to which they could be able to receive money to provide services.
If they are legislators, let them be legislators. If they want to be administrators, let them resign, join the executive and be administrators of these kitties. But doing both is really something that is against the Constitution.
The lawyers say the proposed amendments have not addressed the mischief highlighted by the public and the judicial decisions leading to the revocation of the previous NGCDF as unconstitutional. High Court in September 2024 declared NGCDF unconstitutional and granted MPs 2 years to finish pending projects before it ceases to exist on 30th June 2026. They have appealed to President William Ruto not to assent to the act if the two houses fail to adhere to their petition. Gatete Njoroge, Citizen TV.